Mutsvangwas false claims about Mugabe's role in liberation struggle azvipere mushe. Panapa nhau yoendera mberi patiri kuona kuti mashoko buda muaudio ari kuonekwa kunzi ari misleading. Panapa ari kuendera mberi achianalyziwa, vanhu vachikama bheki vachitaura chikwadi vachiti aiwa pakati nepakati mutsvango apa akanyepa panodiwa subscribe like what on the bell icon. Tiimira paissue aiwa yaMugabe's role in the liberation anodanyira achiti previously Mutsvangwa made the ridiculous claim that Robert Mugabe was a coward who lived in luxury in Maputo, while others trained in military camps. This ignores the fact that Mugabe was already 53 years old in 1977, an age well beyond standard military training requirements. What serious army trains 53-year-olds for active combat? Now Mutsvangwa claims Chiwenga was a useless busybody in Tanzania, only joining the war effort in the late 1977 and leading high school dropouts instead of intellectuals like himself. This is historically inaccurate. Neither Mutsvangwa nor the young recruits who left high school to fight were intellectuals. They were freedom fighters, and the true leaders of the war saw fit to make Dominic Chinenge, now General Chiwenga, their commander. If Mutsvangwa insists on questioning others' war records, perhaps the Zimbabwean public deserves answers about his own war history. Anobuda panapa achiti aiwa, we must ask Mutsvangwa questions anoti, what was his Chimurenga war name? Which front was he deployed to and with whom? Where was he during the Lancaster House conference and what role did he play? What degrees did he obtain after the war and from which institutions? Domashoko atiri kuona kuti aiwa ari kuuya as a blow aiwa kuna Mutsvangwa achinzi aiwa ngauya pindure mibvunzo iyi pane kufamba achitaura manyepo pamusoro pema-individuals aiwa vakanyatsokuteka part aiwa murusununguko rwenyika. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinai mucomment section medu tudze mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.